Update West 94th. Kind of a wet day today, but it's yeah. This is Wednesday, so I want to shoot a video before the week because I'll be taking a couple days off. So I want to make sure that you knew we were working on your real estate. So let's go inside. So we got one of the heaters moving pretty good. There's some heat in here. So he's got the parts coming in on the other one, but show you we got all this stuff out on this. This is, we didn't know this was here, but we're gonna go get some wood and put that in and do what we talked about on the floor still. And you can see here, this one's painted. And we're moving along on this one. Let's go upstairs here. So again, they got all the carpet and stuff out here. We're just getting it trashed out a little bit, you know, getting trashed out. He's got to get all these boards out from the carpet. I'm here with the contractor going over it. And again, this stuff's pretty much, the light isn't on there, but there's the bathroom. And here's this. We're just waiting on that one part on that other heater so we don't have to replace it. So that's why the one side doesn't have heat, but this side does, and they're getting it done. It's looking really good. Let's go over to the other one. Is upstairs. This is the one that doesn't have the heat. Again, they got to get all this painted, but we just need a little heat in here, and which should have everything put together next week on this. So, but this one's almost done really, but we want to make sure that everything's done properly, and gas and all that. The guy's supposed to be spraying that here Friday, I think. So. That's getting, and all this is pretty much already done. And we'll get all that taken care of. New blinds, I gotta fix the windows. And get heat in here. So other than that, it's pretty much done. You know, we gotta put lights, plugs, switches. It won't take long to finish these out. It's just, we gotta get those parts. So let me turn these lights off here. And then we're going to lock this up, seal this up tight. That goes up to that third floor you know about. So let me go downstairs here. Have to get some lights. We're going to get some lights up there. There's a light up there. We're going to make sure that's working. Get some bulbs in here. And then down here in the basement, this is all painted. Get that out of here. You can hear that that's running. And they're working on the electrical here on that. So all this is, it's really clean. It looks a lot cleaner. Remember, it looked dark. So, and then here, we're getting parts here. And he's just getting that worked on and getting that done. And we're gonna get some cement in here, thin set, to get this done and cleaned and painted. So that this one's a little bit more work, and we got to address that window there. We got to do something there also. So this is your update video, but it's coming along pretty good. And we're just up at the other suite, making sure it's got heat. So there's some issues on the electrical meter we got to deal with there, which we will. So that's all being taken care of. So I want to get you this update video. If you're looking to buy investment real estate, we do the easy and the hard. 216-703-5740. I'm Brett with Fathom Realty. You can WhatsApp me too, same number. We do it from A to Z. Done over 1,000+ properties. You don't have to do anything. We buy it, we rehab it, we lease it, manage it, and sell it. 216-703-5740. Thanks. Have a great day.